In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your employment history on Upwork. Whether you're a freelancer looking to attract more clients or simply want to keep your professional profile up to date, adding your recent employment history is a valuable step. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring you know exactly what to do and why each step matters. First, let's open your web browser and head over to Upwork's website. You can type Upwork directly into the search bar or enter its web address if you have it memorized. Once the site loads, you'll see a login prompt if you're not already logged in. Go ahead and enter your credentials. It's always wise to ensure that your login details are secure. If you're unsure of them, remember that there's a password recovery option available. Now that you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Upwork homepage. Move your cursor to the top right-hand corner of the screen. Here you'll see an icon or your profile picture that represents your account. Click on that and a drop-down menu should appear. Within this menu, you'll see various options and one of them will say Your Profile. Let's click on that to proceed to the Profile section. This area functions as your professional storefront, so keeping it current is crucial in showcasing your skills and experience effectively. Once you're on your profile page, it's time to scroll down a bit. You're aiming to reach the section labeled Employment History. This part of your profile is where you record your professional experiences. Now, when you get to the bottom of this section, you'll notice a small plus icon. This icon is essentially your gateway to adding new information about your past jobs or freelance gigs. When you click on the plus icon, a new form will appear, prompting you to fill in details about your employment history. This could include entries like the name of the company you worked for, your job title, and the duration of your employment. You might also need to describe your responsibilities or achievements, so it's a good idea to have this information on hand before you start. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, take a moment to review everything. Ensuring accuracy is important, as potential clients may use this information to assess your suitability for projects. If you're satisfied, you can finalize your entry. And that's it. Your employment history is now updated, providing potential clients with a clearer picture of your professional background. There you have it, a quick, straightforward process to keep your Upwork profile fresh and relevant. By maintaining an up-to-date profile, you increase your chances of landing more freelance gigs and building a robust career on Upwork. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.